Hi, this is KATISMOM2. I'm making another video. I want to share my some of the things that I've done and created. Here's a little a little book. It's kind of like a bookmark. You can slide this. It's like a belly band for your journal. Okay, and then you just clip it onto your journal book, and you can slide whatever you want in between here. There we go. And it holds your whatever you want to put in there, your sentiment, onto your book. That was fun to make. And I also wanted to make my girls have been wanting my my lasagna and taco recipe, so I thought to put this on a mason jar. I made a little mason jar. Let me pick this up a little so you can see it. A little mason jar, and on the back I'm going to write the lasagna recipe here, and I made a little booklet back here. This is for my girl. She likes to Annie, she likes to play music, and so I made her a little music tag. And on here will go my taco recipe. Taco recipe and lasagna recipe here. And here's a little note card if she wants to make notes. Excuse me. Music notes. Okay. So then I made Annie another little booklet. In here in here she can put any little passwords, codes, just a little notebook, reminders. This is coffee dyed paper, and then I got a stencil. I made these little dots. I tore the edges on these little notebook. I got the idea from Gurl on the Ridge, and you could almost say the color of this is like when you make something grungy. Anyway, I made her a little notebook to go with her lasagna card. And then I have a granddaughter named Hanah. Hanah's in the Navy right now, but I want to leave her a little legacy of having her lasagna recipe and her grandma's taco recipe. But her mason jar is going to be this little girl holding this little dog right here. And when she was little, maybe say teens, she wanted to be a veterinarian. We'll see what happens when she comes out of the Navy. But on the back of her card will be the lasagna recipe, and it'll be a taco recipe back here. Yeah, there we go. And this one says, follow your dreams. And she does. Being in the Navy, she's everywhere. Okay. So just to show you some of my other creations that I enjoy doing. And this here little booklet goes to Hanah too. My Hanah girl. It's a little notebook. She can put her passwords in there from the computer, or little notes, anything she wants to put in here. Just made her a little booklet. I hope she likes it, because Grandma made it with love. Okay, so I'm going to show you my other creations. I created this one. This one says, for you, and it says, Live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words. And I have some cheesecloth here. I have some lace, ribbon, cheesecloth here. This is for you. And on the back, it has decorations, another little book. It opens up. These are fun to make. And here's another one that I made. This one says cherish. There we go. It says cherish. And you pull this little ribbon out and you can write your sentiments on it. And it's a cute little card. And this here is coffee dyed paper. And what I did with the coffee dyed paper, I used my Martha Stewart punch and punched out a design which made I think a very cute pocket. Okay, then I made this little girl. She's sitting on a box and it says vintage, and inside it says grateful. And I had muslin here, cardstock here, like a collage, and then I put the word grateful. And there's a little card that slips out. You can write on it your sentiment. Now, this here is a bag from the bakery that they would put a cookie in. See, this is where you would slide your cookie in, right here. And if you stood it up right, you could see that it's a bag. It's a little white pastry bag. And I thought, I'll coffee dye this. See the coffee dyed? And see if I can make a card out of it. Here's the coffee dyed. And I put like a clip art doily right here. And I thought it was pretty cute for a little cookie bag. You can make cards, I think, out of anything. And then here's a little another cookie bag. You open it up long ways, you can see the cookie bag that's been dyed cut. I mean, not dyed cut, but coffee dyed. Close the little bag sideways. Here's where the cookie would go. And my daughter, I always tell her bunny nose, and I always put like a bunny in her when I make cards. When I see bunnies, it's usually made for her, because bunny nose means I love you. When she was in high school, I'd drop her off at school and she would say, "Mom, don't say I love you," because there's be other kids going by. But I said, okay, I'm gonna make up a word. And way back when she was a teenager, I said bunny nose, so she knew what that meant. So when I see bunnies, I always think of her. Okay, and then I have one more. This one I created. This is also a cookie bag. If you put it long ways, it's a cookie bag. And this was more like for harvest or Thanksgiving card. I don't know if you could see that very well. And then here's a little sentiment card. Here's an apple girl. Reminds me of when I used to climb the apple tree when I was a little girl. And I don't know if you could see. But anyway, maybe. It's kind of blurry. But, okay, so there's a pocket here. And there she is, little apple girl. And then you can write your sentiment here. and it's on a doily that's been coffee dyed. The bag has been coffee dyed a little, but these, they feel so soft and puffy. I think they make good cards, those cookie pastry bags. So, okay, I'm gonna write the recipe for my tacos and my lasagna on the back of these, so I better get busy. Gotta get these out in the mail. Okay, this is Katie's Mom 2. I hope I've given you some ideas of how to create from pastry bags. So, okay, this is Katie's Mom 2. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful scrapping day. Bye.